Okay, so here we have the Type S solar-powered HD Quick Connect wireless backup camera, which I picked up from Costco. It was on sale for $99. I believe it's usually about $125. So here's the unboxing, just showing the installation guide that came with the unit. Also, here's the monitor itself, which is 720p. It's a 5-inch LCD color monitor. Here are the controls, miscellaneous paperwork. Here's miscellaneous screws that came with the item, including a fuse in case you use the power cable that connects directly to your cigarette lighter. Here's the mounting system parts. And here's the camera itself. It's pretty chunky, but it feels solid. The camera from all angles, front, back, even the bottom. And here's the camera itself. The power cable, and I believe the USB also was in here. It's a micro USB. So here's the old 2010 RAV4. Gonna take off the license plate. I only had 2 screws on the top to take off, so it was pretty simple. Slap the new one on with the same 2 screws. So once you install the camera itself, you just have to turn it on. The button's beneath the lens itself. So there's the button right here. You press to turn it on. Okay, so your monitor mount looks like you could put it on your windshield or your dash. Right now I've just put it here on my windshield. I have this already on my dash from my phone, so I could also see if the monitor fits here. So you get 2 cables. One's a cigarette lighter cable, and the other is USB. Since I already have a USB converter thing in my cigarette lighter, I'm just going to use that. So here's the back of the monitor. You just put it on here. So let's try it out. We'll give it some power. This lights up. Press button to wake up camera or wave in front. Looks okay. So the main question I had was I have a 2010 RAV4 which has a spare tire on the back door, and the license plate isn't perfectly centered on the back of the vehicle. It's more on the left. But right now this looks perfectly usable, so we'll see how it works.